Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about the power of peanut butter. You can never underestimate the power of peanut butter. Okay, what is always good to have peanut butter in our refrigerator? Okay, because peanut butter is awesome. Okay, peanut butter has 190 calories. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter equals 190 calories. You're gonna grab 1 spoon and you're gonna put it on the sandwich. Okay, I already put mine, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna be making 2 peanut butter sandwich. Okay, always make sure to put at least 2 spoons on each sandwich. Okay, so peanut butter is very high in protein. It has 7 grams of protein, and it's really great. You know, if you need to make a smoothie, you can put 2 spoons of peanut butter. Even though the flavor is not the best, but still, you know, for calorie increment or calorie intakes, you know, it really helps out at the end of the day. Okay, so just remember 2 spoons of peanut butter equals 190 calories, and you can use it at any given time. It's really easy and simple. Okay, if you don't have anything else, you can just grab 2 slices, and just make yourself a peanut butter sandwich. It's easy as that go. Okay, easy come, easy go. So, you know, make sure next time you have some peanut butters in your refrigerator so you can make yourself some sandwich, and you can help yourself gain some weight and bulk up, especially for all you ectomorph guys or skinny guys who are so hard to put weight on. You know, I highly recommend. Okay, I'm one of you guys. I'm, you know, kind of slim, skinny guy, and I'm trying to put some mass on. So that's my way of increasing my calories, and, you know, just try to trick my metabolism, and, you know, just make sure I gain some weight. Okay, so next time, remember, go to the supermarket and grab a local peanut butter. Okay, this is how it looks. You can grab either that one or your favorite brand. There are many other brands out there, and remember, peanut butter is better. It's very beneficial for those guys who are working out. It's a good way of calorie intake. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Otherwise, you know, you can leave your comments down below. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and let me know what you thought of it.